Keep your guard up, navigating the nuances of a common English phrase. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. We're going to dive into a very interesting English phrase, keep your guard up. This phrase is commonly used in everyday conversations, and understanding its meaning and usage can really enhance your English skills. So, let's explore what it means, how to use it, and some examples to help you get a grasp of this phrase. Keep your guard up is an idiomatic expression in English. To fully understand this phrase, we need to break it down. Keep implies maintaining a certain state. Your guard refers to a state of being watchful or prepared, much like a guard standing watch to protect something. Up, in this context, means remaining in a heightened state of readiness. So, when someone says, keep your guard up, they are advising you to stay alert and cautious. It's often used in situations where there is a potential for danger, difficulty, or deception. This phrase can be used in various contexts. 1. Physical safety. When there's a possibility of physical danger, like walking alone at night. 2. Emotional caution. In relationships or interactions where trust is yet to be established. 3. Professional environment. Staying alert in competitive or challenging work scenarios. It's important to use this phrase appropriately. Here are some examples. When walking through unfamiliar neighborhoods, it's wise to keep your guard up. In business negotiations, always keep your guard up to ensure you don't miss any important details. It's crucial to not confuse keeping your guard up with being paranoid or distrustful without reason. The phrase suggests a rational level of alertness, not an overwhelming or constant state of fear. It's about being cautious, not fearful. Keep your guard up is a versatile and useful phrase in the English language, perfect for situations requiring caution and vigilance. Remember, it's about staying alert and prepared, not about living in fear. We hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase more confidently in your conversations. Stay curious and keep learning, and we'll see you in the next video.